It's Friday, boys and girls. It's Celebration Assembly. I wonder who's been reaching for the stars this week. Before we find out who's been reaching for the stars this week, we need to ask our birthday children, don't we, to stand up. So if you've got a birthday this week, or a mum and dad that has a birthday this week, or a teacher, you can stand up and we're going to sing you a birthday song. It's a little bit different, this birthday song. It's the same tune, so I'm sure it'll be fine. Here we go. Everyone join in. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear children. Happy birthday to you. And a birthday round of applause for everyone that's had a birthday this week. I hope it was a really special one. Okay, so now we need to find out who's been reaching for the stars, don't we? Who's been really respectful? Who's been enjoying what they do? Who's been achieving? Who's been caring? And who has been healthy? Right, our first one this week it's for Joshua Blows. And it's for respect. Well done, Josh. Let me tell you what Josh has been doing this week that's been ever so respectful. When Josh returned to school last week, he had a long chat with Richard, the lollipop man. He asked him about his birthday. He asked if he'd been okay during the lockdown, and he said thank you to him for coming back to do his job. We're really proud of how caring he was and how much respect he showed. I'm proud of you too, Josh. Well done. So, who's been enjoying this week? I've seen lots of children actually enjoying themselves around our school, but this one is for Bude Self. Well done, Bude. It says, Bude always brightens our day. Hey, it's assembly time, shush. Bude always brightens our day here in school. We look forward to seeing his smiling face arrive in the morning. Bude enjoys all aspects of school life, especially dancing. I've noticed that about you, Bude. Okay, so who's been achieving this week? This week, it's Jacob Thorne. Well done, Jacob. I'm really proud of you. Jacob has been reaching for the stars this week and doing all his learning and trying his best. Well, that makes me proud. He put so much effort into his learning and is really enjoying learning new things. He's really enjoyed learning the alphabet in sign language. Wow, keep it up, Jacob. Fantastic news. So, boys and girls, what's next? You're right, it's care. Who's been caring this week? We've got a very caring school, haven't we? And this week, actually, boys and girls, we had to choose two for care. The first one is for Ella Reid. Well done, Ella. Ella has been looking after her gerbils during lockdown so well. I'm pleased to hear it, Ella. She's been making sure that they've got food and drink, and at Eric time, she's been reading to them. Oh, I like that. We're really proud of her for being so responsible and caring. And so am I, Ella. Well done to you. And another person that's been very caring this week is Aria Ballum. Well done, Aria. We are so proud of Aria. She's always been a very caring child, but during lockdown she has shown us just how caring she is. She's written notes and drawn pictures for our postman, delivery drivers, and the dustmen, the people that collect all our rubbish. She sent letters to friends and made and delivered cakes to them too. She shows her caring nature daily by helping to teach her little sister new skills, encouraging and praising her, playing with her and showing her how to share. She's a fantastic big sister and a brilliant role model. We're all really proud of her. We're proud of you too, Aria. Keep that up. And finally, we've got 2 for healthy as well. But this time, they are brother and sisters. And it's Olive and Eddie. Well done to Olive and Eddie. Reception. They've both been extra healthy and extra green. What do you think I mean by that? They've been going into their garden and growing their own vegetables at home. What a healthy thing to do. Well done to Olive and Eddie. Right, boys and girls, that's the end of our celebration assembly for this week. I hope you've been reaching for the stars. Your mums and dads have been telling me that you are, so that makes me happy. I've seen lots of children reaching for the stars in school, so that makes me happy and proud too. And I've also seen lots of children reaching for the stars on our Facebook page. So keep up the good work, everybody, and I'll see you again soon. Have a great weekend. Bye.